they've got my lunch! Here's your food, Paluto! Now you've got to promise to leave us alone! Junk! Why, that's the best fruit and vegetables on Coral! Suntops don't eat coal!
From now on, I want to be referred to as Your Royal Majesty, Sir Paluto. And, let me see, what else? Hey, where are you going? I wasn't done yet!
I don't know why you waste your time on that old engine of yours, Choo-Choo.
Well, Uncle Boom, just because something's getting a little tired, it doesn't mean you get rid of it. Like you, for example.
Well, you don't have to get personal. That's one of your problems, Choo-Choo. And another problem of yours, I've noticed, is your unwillingness to let go of the past. You insist on doing things the old way. I, on the other hand, have always welcomed the future with open arms.
There's still a lot of track left in these thermal steam-driven wheels.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, we should replace it with something new and better. The new solar-powered Zoom engine that Speed and Chip have developed can go 3 times as fast.
Now, wait a choo-choo minute, Uncle Boom.
And when they're done their testing, that's the end of number 9.
We'll get this lumber to the North Tunnel in time for Speed and Chip to make repairs. We're a long way from the time we get, old man. I don't care what Uncle Boom says. Come on, old fella. Come on, old fella. Come on, old fella. It's only a little hill. Those wheels will... Pumping. Don't tell me you're gonna start this again. Good boy. Oh, no, not again. Yikes, we're falling apart. Somebody help! No problem. Just put on the brakes. Oh, no brakes.
Hold on there, Choo-Choo! Throw me the brake handle! These brakes still work.
Whew. Thanks, Speed. That was close. At least we didn't lose the lumber.
Oh, no! The lumber cars! I've said it a million times. That old engine is no good. When something is out of date,
You helped us out so many times. How easy they forget. I remember when you started on this railroad. Why, it seems like yesterday.
Dear my fellow Suntags, we are gathered here today to salute a magnificent technological achievement, a marvelous symbol of progress. And anyone who knows me knows I speak straight from the heart when I say this engine will always be a reminder of the Suntag commitment to the future.
Boy, that was some day. No, not... Someday they'll remember number 9.
This wind shovel should take the Smoggies out.
I hope so, Uncle Boom. This sure feels good again.
Choo-Choo, why did you pick me to come along with you?
Because I want you, most of all, to finally appreciate good old number 9.
I mean, very reliable on steep hills. Maybe I should get off here. I can walk to the tunnel.
Come on, number 9.
It really isn't very far.
Sorry, old girl.
Yay, number 9! Yay, number 9!
Good work, Choo-Choo.
Yeah, well done!
Whoa! Uncle Boom! The Smoggies are coming!
No, don't worry, Scaredy. I know what I'm doing.
Yikes!
Uncle Boom!
one of those woolly...
What? Those sun tarts are getting away!
I love the smell of the rainforest.
They're migrating home despite the fire.
Hurry it up, Smoggies!
Ouch!
It's only fair, Miss Emma. We started the fire.